Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today, it's a rainy day. We're going on a little adventure to the hobby store. I'm going to go pick up the Losi Mini B Pro Roller chassis kit. I'm really excited for this one because winter is approaching and we're going to start indoor racing. Hey, buddy. This is my first Losi. It's my first buggy, my first 1/16 scale, and it's gonna be my first time racing indoors. We're gonna start this build off with the paint. I'm gonna just lay out a little scheme here. We're gonna go with some metallic red, white, and black. So I wrote some lettering on the outside of the body so that I know which color I'm gonna paint in which area. Alright, body's all masked up. Let's go spray some paint. from black. Now we're gonna spray some red. I want a bright red, so I'm gonna go with the silver backing and the white. So let's spray some silver. Let's peel this off and see what we got. So I gotta clean up the overspray, but came out pretty good. My taping definitely wasn't the best in some spots. The body's so small, it's really hard to get the tape down all the way. And at the top here too, I had some problems with the black. But no big, I'm gonna put some vinyl all on this, on the edges, and I'll hide it up and clean it up. Stay tuned for the end and it'll look a lot sharper. We're gonna use some non-acetone nail polish remover to get this overspray off. Okay, so it's much better now. We got the overspray off. So now I'm gonna do some vinyl. Well, that worked awesome. Once again, vinyl for the win. hiding all my imperfections. This body turned out awesome. Time to fix the wing. So we're gonna plug all of this together, connect my remote, and then turn it all on and center my servo. Last piece of the puzzle, tires and rims. We're going to be running indoor on carpet track, so these are a must. That's a wrap for the buggy build. If you guys enjoyed that video, smash the like, smash the subscribe, drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.